10th of August, and I'm ready to head out from Spray Lakes, from this absolutely beautiful campground. And I met Chris and Peter over there. You can see them behind me. They're getting themselves together, and just one more quick view of the campground here and the environment. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely, all the way around. There we go. Look at that. So today I'm heading south. That's the direction I'll always be heading. I'm gonna make a decision on what parts of the High Rockies Trail I'm going to take, but otherwise, I guess it's just a lot of road until Sparwood. So we'll see up the road. See this little bird here? This guy was at the campsite and he was hanging around me, and he would fly right up close to me and just kind of stand there and look at me, and I don't know what he wants. But since I left the campground, and that's way, way back there, he's been following me. He's been following me, and now he's right here. He doesn't seem to have a problem with me. Hey, I don't know what you want, buddy, but I don't have any food for you. How long are you going to follow me? Been here for about a half an hour, 45 minutes. Just stopped here to actually dry out the tent and take a bit of a break, maybe shift a few things around in the bike, and then a whole bunch of rain set in. It was sunny and then rain, and now it's getting sunny again. So like I said, I've been here for about 45 minutes, but I think it's time to shove off. I wouldn't mind getting a few more miles today. I only got about 36k yesterday, so yeah, so ready to take off. Yeah, and heading south, hopefully get to, well, I don't know, Sparwood. That's right, Sparwood. I don't think I'll make it there today, but definitely tomorrow because I'm out of coffee. Anyways, see ya. after a long day of riding on the Smith-Dorian or the Spray Lakes Road, Trail, whatever it is, I decided to skip the HRT section just because there was so much rain coming through, and it just, I just didn't think it was worth going up there, and I wanted to get some miles in today. I lost about 2 hours because of the rain as it was, but so I just came back from the Kananaskis Visitor Center, and I was told that about an hour or so down the road there's a walk-in campsite, so I think I'm going to try that. Down to the Mount Surreal Campground here in Kananaskis Provincial Park. So I think this is my last stop in Alberta before I cross over to BC tomorrow. Anyways, it was a good day. It was a challenging day. I did the first part of the HRT, or the High Rockies Trail, coming out of the campground that I stayed in last night. But yeah, that was about it. And then I just stuck to the road. Like I said, rain off and on all day, very slow. Once I got to the highway in Kananaskis Park, it was pavement the whole way, and including paved bicycle paths all the way here. Amazing. There's a fellow here named Nigel, who I met yesterday in Banff, but he left before I did, and he was here when I got here, so I decided to set up camp beside him, and we can commiserate. Yeah, so just making dinner, and plan is to get to Elkford tomorrow. We'll see. Having a great time.